Hey, what's going on, guys? Here, Brian Abod with Elegant Outdoor Designs. We're in Park Ridge, currently cleaning up an alley, but we're building an outdoor living space for a client, utilizing all of our machines and equipment on his property because we have the space to do that. But I'll show you what's going on here. So we clean up our space every day. You can see the power broom machine he's using. It's a rubber mallet piece on the attachment of a kind of like a weed whacker, but he's using that to sweep the entire alley area. It's going to go into the bucket of the machine, and then as he's rolling, but as soon as he gets this all cleaned up, it's a lot easier than using a broom to do all this. You can see what's going on in the backyard. We got our trucks lined up back there, bricks and stuff. We got a pile.
Best way to get them out of here.
You can go
that way.
Yeah, that's fine. He'll see it, stop, Using our mini excavator to get all this junk out of here. But we're taking out about 30 inches of earth. Clay doesn't hit until 30 inches down below. There's a lot of earth we're taking out. This is the outdoor living space I'm standing in. We're gonna do wraparound stairs for the deck. See Andy over here using the mini. He loves this machine. You can kind of see he's digging down and getting all the dirt out, but leaving all the clay. That's the trick of this business. You want to dig down until you hit clay, otherwise your patio will not hold up. And then we're running a gas line out from there through. There's a sump pump line we installed that's going to run through all this gravel here to sewer main, and we have gutters going in around the whole property. So as you see, there's a lot going on here on this job. You need your landscaping done, or drainage, or sewer, or outdoor living space designs, we do all of it. We're an all-in-one, one-stop shop. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll quickly show you the drainage on the side of the house. On the other side, here's all the drainage getting installed. We already buried all that, but we got more to go. That comes down here to an angle right through there. It's gonna go right to the sewer main. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.